how to fix your PS4 blue light off death. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check the basics, make sure that the power cable is securely connected to your PS4 and the wall outlet, and try a different wall outlet or a power cable. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and hard reset your PS4 by simply unplugging the power cord from the PS4, pressing and holding the power button for 15 to 20 seconds, and plug the cord back in and turn it on. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check if there are any software related updates. You want to simply go to your safe mode and then update your PS4. You can also check and rebuild storage if you want to, or if nothing works, you want to simply try cleaning your PS4 by dusting the buildup, or you could also turn off and unplug your PS4, use compressed air. If none of it works, simply get a professional help. Simply contact your PlayStation support or a professional repair service. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have